everyone, it's John Chow here from johnchow.com. I'm here at the San Clemente outlet for the weekly South OC Cars and Coffee, and check it out, a Porsche Carrera Gt. Yeah, it's being driven by Damien of Daily Driven Exotic.
I gotta ask Mel.
And here are the other two Daily Driven Exotic vehicle. This is an Audi R8 and a Drift Viper. And another one, I see a 675 McLaren. And check this out. It's a Ferrari Italia that's been highly modified. Yeah, a lot of people say it's sacrilege to modify a supercar, but I am not one of them. And then here we have the ultimate, I guess, expression of the California supercar, convertible Bentley. Love it, love it. Yeah, the show is just getting started and cars are lining up to get in, but the lot's actually pretty full, so let's go explore the lot. Looks like the merchandise tent is very busy. Wow, it is a really busy day today. That's a lot of people. While the DDE cars are parking, let's explore the rest of the supercars. So, starting with Simon's Camaro. And this is the Camaro of his son James's Camaro right here. Here we have a Ferrari F8. And it's a whole bunch of people. So okay, let's get back to the cars. Oh, check it out. Here's the Mclaren Mc20 from last week. It's back, and this time the hood is, or the trunk is up, so we can check out the engine. Yeah, check that out. Nice. And once again, check out the plexiglass rear window. And here we have a Murcielago. And then over here we have the Polestar. They're one of the sponsor, and there's this Lamborghini Huracan STO. That's pretty wild in a matte black paint job.
Oh, I can see what you see.
I like this. Check out the way they presented the logo. STO with Italian stripes and matte carbon fiber. One of the other sponsors of South OC Cars and Coffee. This is the Mercedes-Benz the Share. It's rented. You can rent this. Lamborghini, Audi R8 with BBS wheel, 600 LT, GT3, another Lamborghini, Ferrari F12, Ferrari Sf-90. Yeah, this is the hybrid Ferrari. It's got a twin turbocharged motor and 3 electric motors. An interesting thing I could tell you about the Sf-90, it has no reverse gear. So basically it has only 4 gears. How you reverse? Well, the EV motors on the front just rotate backwards. So that's basically it, no reverse gear. Now you might think, oh my God, what a great piece of technology. But that same technology is also used in a Toyota Prius. A green Lamborghini Aventador. Hey, another Lamborghini. This is very nice. It's got looks like a versatile body kit on there. A Spider. Lamborghini. Ferrari F430. A Ferrari Italia. Here's a convertible Performante. Very nice. And this is a very, very nice green GT3 Touring Edition. So it's basically like the hardcore track GT3, but it's meant for a little bit more subtle. There's no rear wing, so you see the wing's missing. And well, here you go. Here we have the GT3, the regular hardcore version, and you can see there's the big wing in the back. And check this out, we have a McLaren Santa. I haven't seen one of these in a while. So this is McLaren's most hardcore limited edition supercar, and the standout feature on this thing is the window on the door here, so you can see through it. And so people, if you're driving next to it, you can see the guy's legs. Wow, and check out the size of that rear wing. All carbon fiber. Hood scoop on top. This is one crazy car. Another Lamborghini, Ferrari California.
10 out of 10. I just love
Mclaren 720. Another STO. This one's in a great color combination. Wow. GT4.
Best car for the money.
The new 992 Turbo, and with I believe this is a Tech Art body kit. Yeah, looks like a Tech Art body kit. Yeah, it is, eh? Tech Art. It's quite nice.
Yeah, that's
White and yellow Ferrari, another SF-90, and another SF-90. Oh my God, where else but self-OC cars and coffee can you see not one, not two, but three Ferrari SF-90? They should actually take the SF-90 over there and park it here next to each other so we can see all three together. Check out this Toyota pickup truck with an LS engine swap. Gotta love it. So there's the big V8 in there, and it's a single turbo, one big turbo on one side. There's the intercooler right there, and the big intake, and it looks like the builder signed it. Cool.
It's got a different.
Vintage Range Rover, complete with a spare tire on the hood. Wow. Right-hand drive. Side seating. That's so cool. Of course, Montana plates. Now this is a very special Z06 Corvette. You can tell by the bulge on the hood, this is a colorway Z06. So that's the supercharger. And the supercharger is so big that they have to cut a hole in the hood in order to fit it. Looks very nice. All right, so let's check out this Carrera GT belonging to Daily Driven Exotic. Yeah, these things are super rare, and the naturally aspirated V10 motor screams like you wouldn't believe. Check out that interior with the wooden shift knob, very nice. Yeah, these things are Widowmaker. They're pretty much uncontrollable, and if you disrespect them, they will kill you. And they have. They've killed quite a few people.
Stop by the merchandise tent. Sophie and Sarah, we have brand new t-shirts.
Here's this electric Cobra that I saw last week, and I can take another look at it today because I just know something new. See, there's so much space in the, I guess the hood, since electric motors are much smaller, that he actually had enough space for an ice box. Yes, there's an ice box in this Cobra. This is a Pontiac Trans Am Gta that was used to pace the 73rd running of the Indianapolis 500. And what's so special about this particular Trans Am, instead of using a standard V8, It uses a turbocharged V6 from the Buick Grand National. Yeah, so there you see the single turbo V6 motor. I'm not sure if this wrap is intended to be like this or if the wrap is unfinished. Maybe they went part way and then decided to say, oh no, oh I see. Yeah, I guess they're wrapping it as the repairs happen. Yeah, that's what it is. They are wrapping as they fix the car. Each work. If you ever wonder why Mustangs have big bulging hoods, there's the reason. Check out that supercharger. Like, yeah, you need a bulge in the hood to clear this thing. Convertible C8 Corvette with the top down. Hot top convertible, so. Very, very nice. I love the new C8 interior, like the best interior yet of any Corvette. Check out this Tesla Model 3. Check out this Tesla Model 3 with the body kit from not underground, what is it called? Unplugged Performance, yeah. Unplugged Performance body kit on this Tesla Model 3. He's got on airbags. You see the car is on bags right now, and so lots of mods on this one. Carbon fiber mirror caps, a yoke steering wheel, a swivel monitor. Yeah, pretty crazy. And there's his Instagram. Wow. And next to it we have a Model Y. Performance. Looks like it's been wrapped in a matte black. Carbon caps on the handle. Inside I see also a yoke steering wheel and the tilt screen as well, the swivel screen. And I also see a body kit on it. The nickname for this Buick Riviera could be Black Beauty. Wow, it is a beauty. And check out the custom touches on this. You notice no rear view mirrors, no door handles. It's completely shaved, so opens by remote control. And the interior, wow, that is nice. Vintage Corvette convertible. I believe this is a C2 generation, but it's been updated with a nice LS2 modern Corvette motor. So, great example of old merging with the new. Yeah, it is nice. Man, these things are small. It's like little toy cars, toy matchbox. And there's 3 of them. Look at that engine. So easy to service. Spark plugs right there, all there. Yeah. Yeah, look at the radiator, it's so tiny. This is like the epitome of the tiny cars. 5-liter Mustang with its own little mini-me. Wow. Have you ever wondered what would happen if you take this big V8 motor from this Camaro and put it into a Datsun? Well, wonder no more, because this person has done it. There you go, an LS swap Datsun. That's nuts. Turbocharged too.
Twin turbo.
Twin turbo. One on this side, one on that side, and check out that intercooler. So it's making more power than that. I guarantee it. Yeah! You're clear. Yeah, I'm a volunteer today. Audi R8. Convertible 911. Another Murcielago. Huracan. 812 Ferrari. Yeah. The current naturally aspirated V12 Ferrari. And then over there we have, ooh, a Pista. A Ferrari Pista. An Italia. Oh, check it out. I saw this car coming in on the freeway, the Mclaren Gt. Yeah, this is McLaren's grand touring vehicle meant for taking longer road trips. R8 V10. 911 Turbo S right there. I see the Ferrari found a parking spot, and same with the Bentley. And I see the motorcycle has moved all the way down here. Wow. Yeah, motorcycles are getting more and more popular because, well, it's getting hot. Actually, it's very hot today. Beautiful sunny day, and
I'm sorry?
so hot day.
So much fun.
Motorcycles come out in droves. They should rename the show Cars and Coffees and Motorcycles. Yeah, lots of motorcycles. And over there we see the rest of the lot. Yeah, big day today. Lots of people. I think it might be a record crowd even. So this is Self OC Cars and Coffee. It happens every Saturday from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. And if you are a car enthusiast, this is where you need to be on a Saturday morning. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, like and share it. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It helps me a lot. This is John Shaw from JohnShaw.com. I'll see you guys next time.